Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to do a look that would complement my new hair. I wanted to do something with neon green and purple because I love that color combination for Halloween. And I came up with this little ghost freckly look. I really hope you like it as much as I do, and if you want to know how I created this today, then keep on watching. To start off this look, I'm going to grab some normal Scotch tape, put some on the back of my hand so it doesn't pull too hard on my skin when I peel it off later. And we're going to put it under our eye at an angle so we have a crisp line with the shadows when we peel it off. Alright, this is as even as they're going to get, so now let's just start off with the eye look. We're going to start off by priming our eyes with our MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot and our M173 brush. Now on an e.l.f. crease brush, I'm just going to pick up some of the Makeup and Murder Purple Poison Pigment and put that in my outer corner and crease. Now I'm going to grab a nude shadow on the same brush and blend out the edges. And build up more of the color on the outer corner. Now I'm going to pick up Urban Decay's Blackout on an M124 brush and put that on my outer corner and a little bit in my crease. Now I'm going to pick up more of that pigment and blend that in with the black. Alright, now we're going to take this tape off and hopefully reveal a nice, clean, straight line. Now with my BH Cosmetics White Concealer and my M421 brush, I'm going to cut the lid. Now I'm going to pack on the green Makeup and Murder Poison Pigment just with a small little flat brush. Okay, now I'm going to go back in with that M124 brush with no extra product on it, just the same little bit of black that was left down there before, and further deepen up the crease and fix this little line. And I'm going to add a little bit of black to the outer corner. Alright, now I'm going to do the same thing to the other eye and I'll be right back. Alright, we're going to pause the eyes for a minute and start working on the face. So first I'm going to prime using my Benefit Professional Primer. Now for foundation, like usual, I'm going to go in with my ColourPop No Filter Foundation Stick. And I'm going to blend this out with my M439 brush. Now I'm going to lightly conceal the highest points of my face with my ColourPop No Filter Concealer. And I'm going to blend this out with my M173 brush. Now I'm going to set where we just concealed using my Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder in the shade 05 on my Morphe E48 brush. Now I'm going to set the rest of my face with my Maybelline Fit Me Translucent Pressed Powder and my Morphe M527 brush. Now I'm going to zoom in once so we can finish off the lower lash line really fast. I'm just going to pick up Blackout one more time on that M124 brush and just run that across my lower lash line. So we're going to create little ghost freckles today. I'm going to use my BH Cosmetics White Concealer to create them, and an M250-1 brush. Oh, he's so cute. I'll be right back when I'm finished with the outlines of the ghost so we can do the eyes and mouths together. Alright, I added the ghost, now let's go ahead and add the mouths. So for the mouths, I'm going to use my black liquid lipstick and a nail dotting tool. Oh, this is so cute. All of them are going to have a little different personality. They're so cute. Ah, I love it. For lips, I'm just going to use that same black liquid lipstick and then I'm going to add some lashes and I will be right back with the finished look. I almost forgot about contour and highlight, so I'm going to quickly contour with my Morphe E4 brush and the Anastasia Beverly Hills Powder Contour Kit. Now I'm going to highlight my face with my M501 brush and the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sugar Glow Kit, and I'm going to use Marshmallow. Here's the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe. Hit that little bell icon so you never miss out when I upload, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!